This weekend, I am going to the Pokemon World Championships in Honolulu, Hawaii. But first, before we go, we have to pack. I'm going to try to pack as much as Pokemon things as possible that I can take. Let's go.
So I know I wanted to pack like tropical vibes, like short sleeves and shorts, right? So I have this black and white Pokeball domino number. I also have the Pikachu all over outfit set. Gonna take my 25th anniversary Pokemon jacket along with this Eevee robe from Black Milk. Gonna pack some shirts, you know, this Market Butterfree shirt, got my 25th anniversary shirt, another Pikachu shirt, some Pikachu socks. I got this Eevee shirt. These are my Pikachu PJs, y'all. Next up, I'm packing up some more shirts and just some more accessories. My goal was to pack everything Pokemon. And not just my clothes. I got my hats, my Pokemon hats, my accessories, my earrings, my Pokemon earrings, my Pokemon Crocs. And also I wanted to take my Pokemon boots, my Clarks, everything Pokemon, okay? Of course, you already know I'm gonna pack everything in my Pokemon Center exclusive Pikachu-themed duffel bag. This duffel bag, y'all, absolutely insane. I usually use it as my gym bag, but I literally fit everything in here. As you can see, it just feels like an endless Pokemon void. Overall, pretty solid bag, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. It even has this little compartment for your accessories.
And now I'm gonna go get my nails done. All Pokemon themed. So let's go.
I got these nails from Cutie Pop Nail Shop. Wow. And the place I went to get them applied on is Queenie's in Milpitas. They first applied the stickers on, and then after the stickers were applied, they took scissors and siphoned the excess off. Oh no, Togepi got snipped. That's a long Pokeball. And then after they put gel on, and then yeah, it was done.
Getting my nails done. Look, Pikachu, Togepi, Pokeball, Togepi. Pokemon ready. Bye, Millie. Bye, Millie. I'm going to the Pokemon World Championships, Millie. She's my starter Pokemon. Okay, bye. Wish me luck, Millie. Bye, Millie. This is my Alola hat. I've always wanted a Pokemon hat, like Ash Ketchum, my entire life. Worked at a GameStop, and I got this one from that GameStop. It's the Alola one, the Sun and Moon one, and my first ever Pokemon Worlds is in Alola, Hawaii. Isn't that crazy? Not a lot of people know this, but I'm like half British. My dad's from England. So I have all of the Galar, England. I have all of the Galar badges right here, represent. Mommy, where are we going? Where are you dropping me off?
You're going to Hawaii.
The Pokemon World Tournament, woo!
Thanks for getting ready with me. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I have a lot more Pokemon Worlds content coming your way, y'all. So hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when my Pokemon content drops. Don't forget to comment down below, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next Pokemon video. Take care, bye-bye!